Hi, in front of me I have BLACKVIEW A80 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to turn on the camera timer on this device. First, we need to open the camera app. To do it, swipe left on the screen to go to the next page and tap on the camera icon. In the camera app, let's tap on the settings icon right here in the top left corner. And here we have option called self timer. Let's tap on it. And now we can select three options. Off, the option to turn it off, 2 seconds and 10 seconds. I'm gonna select 10 seconds by tapping on it, then go back to camera, and now when I press the shutter button to take the picture, the countdown will start, and after it's done, the picture will be taken. Like this. And that's how you turn on the camera timer on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.